The RBI needs to take into account the benign inflation as well as the government's commitment on fiscal discipline next fiscal while formulating its monetary policy, says the SBI chairperson Arundhati Bhattacharya. Let's listen in.
Government has said that it's an ongoing exercise, so I think we should believe them that it's an ongoing exercise and whatever is the support required that they will give.
Right, ma'am. Also, they've spoken a lot about the fact that they're open to bringing down government equity in PSBs. IDBI will be the starting point. FMS said this yesterday. So going forward, what is the thinking among the PSBs, so to speak?
Well, PSBs can hardly think about this. This is for the owner to decide. It's for the owner to decide as to what will happen. IDBI, I think, has been mentioned because it is incorporated under the Companies Act. So that makes it a little easier to handle IDBI. In respect of the other banks, as you know, there's a Bank Nationalization Act, SBI and SBI Associate Banks Act. So those acts will have to be amended in case you have to bring down ownership. So that might be a little more difficult.
Any discussion?
No, I think they've done a great job. They've absolutely.
Ma'am, do you think the ball is now in the RBI's court to go ahead and cut rates, because they've spoken about
you are making a statement rather than asking a question.
No, I'm just asking,
Ma'am, what's your take on that?
I think, definitely the RBI has to consider that, given the fact that CPI is coming in below what they had indicated to be the glide path, given the fact that fiscal discipline is being maintained. So definitely I think this is something that the RBI will be thinking about.
So something expected, can we expect on the
Let's see how things happen.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.